In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove shirt in WWE 2K24. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly remove your shirt during any match in WWE 2K24. First, I just want to make something very clear. Even though you will be able to remove the shirt or remove the straps as most characters in WWE 2K24, keep in mind that not all characters will be able to do this. Usually, specific characters that have straps equipped will be able to get this done, so characters such as Kurt Angle or The Undertaker. Regardless, all that you have to do to see if your character is able to remove their shirt is to hold the right trigger. So this is going to be R2 on PlayStation, RT on Xbox, and the right mouse button on PC. And while holding down the right trigger, press down on the D-pad, and this will immediately start the animation to remove the shirt. Like I mentioned, not all characters have this ability, but usually you can just press down R2 or the right trigger and then press down on the D-pad and see if your character does it. The animation will start immediately and you will be able to do this. Now, a lot of people have said that custom superstars will not be able to get this done, so keep that in mind. The removal animation will go out and you will be able to see the animation of removing the shirt or removing the straps. It is unfortunate that the created players or superstars aren't able to do this because it would be really nice to see their attire go out whenever you wish, but this is how it stands. And for all consoles, it is going to be the same thing. So right trigger and then down on the D-pad. So for Xbox, old gen and new gen, and the same for PlayStation. And most characters with straps will be able to do this on most career types and game modes. So for example, showcase mode and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to remove shirt in WWE 2K24. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.